Okay, so tell me like the steps. So first of all, like see, like my application is running over there. This is the manager, my microservice, and we'll go to create the one more application now for your the gateway. Here we'll add the new project. Which application we have to add it again? The core web API again, the same. We'll give the name as API Gateway. Okay, so the next thing is what? The same. Okay, so here there is no DDD, only the one JSON file we want, that is the Ocelot wala. Yes, so see here, there is nothing select to use anything over there, like we'll just directly go inside the, first we'll install the package, which package we require here? See here we need to search for like the one package, that is Ocelot. Can you see the first wala package? Ocelot, it is an API gateway based on the .NET stack. Okay, so don't take another one. We'll select this package. So you can take this like the latest wala stable version, don't take it like the deprecated wala. Okay, so don't go in below, like this one also we can take it. It is also showing the stable version at 24.0.1. It's fine, we'll take it. So there is no required the tools or SQL Server wala packages. It's added, see, Ocelot. Once it is setup is done, so it's added here. The next what I have to do, like we'll just right click on a projects and we have to add the, so here like when we will try to like search for like which file, that is Ocelot. So here there is no Ocelot, like you have to go for the JSON file. Yes, so can you see there like the JSON file is present? So like I'll just select this JSON file and we have to give the file name as Ocelot. Added this JSON. How to add configuration in a program.cs? Tell me here. Builder dot the file name is JSON and the third parameter on change it is, that's it, no? And then here the packages using Ocelot, no? Sorry, here it is builder dot services it's added, no Okay, it's added now. The next thing is what? Once it is added, we have to add the middleware. See, app.use Ocelot, so it will show the warning. See, because it's expecting the asynchronous, no? So like we'll pass the await. Okay, this part is done. So we'll come into the Ocelot.json. Here, tell me what I have to set. See, it is giving me the global configuration. Inside it, like we have to set correct. So here in the routes, like what we want, downstream path templates, we are searching for the here we have not set the object, no? We are directly in a array only. So this is one the array, na, that is square bracket wala. We'll take here. This is one the object, na. Second is scheme. So what scheme? See, it's showing host and ports inside it. Host is, no, we have to add the object, na, here. Host and port. Host is port. Port number where it is running. Swagger is running, na, here. 5292. Correct. Next is after this, na. After this, na. So what path template, like we have said, API slash. Second is HTTP methods. You can either send get method also, get or post. So we are sending both of the method here. So now there is one route only. If I wanted to set like the one more route, I can. I'll just take a copy paste over there. Here only, na. What I need to change here? Correct. So this slash id, it will look. Here also will change the. It is only the get, na, for fetching one. So two requests we have sent, na, there. The three APIs, all three APIs will work there now.
So do we have to like make it a concat
interpolation. No, here it's not needed. Like the part template is there, na. But again, due to this only, it will just look there. We'll see where. If somewhere, like if we get the issues, we'll check there. It is not needed because the part template is there, na. So it will not check there. We'll see. And the base URL, like what will set over there? Need to run this application, na, first of all. So is anything else here? Nothing, na. I think we have set up all of the things.
Take directly from the launch JSON.
That also we can take it. See, when you will come into this, as I said, in a properties, launch setting.json. Which one we are taking? The HTTP wala, na? Can you see there? Application URL. So this one, like I have to take it, and where I have to set there? Here. Understood? So like through the 501, like 5041 will access all of the services, will run the application, I think both are the this microservice is also running na that manager wala. It's 5041 only, na? I think the common URL wala, what we said there, 5041. So can you just test it over there now in a Postman directly? I'm going. Okay, let's say we are calling the managers only. No, this is one the microservice wala, na? We can do like both the things, na, now here. And the next URL is what? 50/API/manager, na, the upstream path. Let's send the request. You can able to access it through the base URL. Also we can check for like the post wala, just change the request. Let's send the request, but it will not take any other request, na. Let's say like if I send the 5042, try to send the request which is not there, na, only which port is configured, only that only it will take it. /API/manager we have not created, na. Need to add it first. Only manager wala microservice we added here. The ID wala also like we'll test it here. /ID, na, there. Fetching, na. Yes, understood this thing?